First line, gentlemen, comma, kindly let me have your price for printing 100 copies of the enclosed circular full stop. I should prefer a better grade of paper provided the cost is not too high full stop. I should be glad if you would telephone your price to us as we are in a hurry full stop. Yours very truly, comma. Second line, gentlemen, comma, we are sorry to learn that 2 of the books we recently sent to you were faulty full stop. Apparently they were either printed or bound incorrectly full stop. If you will kindly return them to us, comma, we can obtain credit for them ourselves full stop. In the meantime, comma, we are mailing you our credit memorandum for the cost of the books plus the cost of mailing them to us full stop. Very truly yours, comma.